We're back. A mix. Payroll, Barry Megan, and Malo Khan. Look at that bad boy.
Back in Poland again.
Well, welded hasn't packed in. Still all looking. No, yeah, it's a bit dusty. Is the engine still here? Oh, he's still here, so he's been looking. Oh yeah, I'm pleased with that. I was a bit worried it was going to rust out when it was outside. It's all looking good. So, bit of welding to do. On the other side, we're going to try and replicate what I've already done here. And then I really want to get the back bit done.
Hey, it's me.
Hey, right then. Whew. It's just as bad as the other side. Might be worse actually, down here. No, that's right. I took the wheels off, didn't I? Right. Just need to get this cylinder off. So, this doesn't look too good, does it really? There's me carpet. I wonder if this has been repaired before. Might have done. So really, I'm probably going to have to take the whole suspension off. Well, this doesn't look too bad. That's a little bit crusty. Put some new metal. I'll repair. Right, let's get cracking. Right, snap your fingers. Ta-da! No, it's not gonna be that easy. Okay. it looks like on the inside. Fair bodge rusting here, eh? Yeah, collection. Pretty bad there. The weather doesn't look too good. Some filler in here. Some gum of some sort. I don't know what the hell that is. Hey, so I think that's underneath here, because I'll get a good fit one there. I'll probably just butt join this one. There's going to be another panel over the top, so I'm not too bothered about that. But I've got that flanging tool. I might try and flange the new repair panel and see if I can slide it under here a bit neater. Try and keep the shape a bit more. I might do that. But before I weld it all up, I'm going to have to repair all of this. So let's get this flange tool and see how this fits. Here we go. Here's the flange tool. I'm going to go all the way along. Nibble tiddly and see if it's a good fit. I really do. Complete waste of time. I might just cut it and do what I done first time. Flange to wall waste.
I need to get this off. Well, there's only wires running down there. So watch out for them.
Nowy samochód?
No, nowy samochód?
Next year. Dalej?
Na ten, 2024.
2030.
Pąsek 30.
There's one of these sheet panels, 50 by 30, 1 mil. I don't know if it's a bit too thick. We'll see. Oh, this box section here is rotten for about, I don't know, 6 inches from the sill. I've got some box that I can put in, but it's worse underneath. Alright, this is going to be a job for another day. I think priority is just to get these sills on, and then all those box sections, because there's probably quite a few. I'll have to maybe just get all the seats out and the carpet out one day, and then do all those box sections later. I think really what I should concentrate on is just getting the sill on and these repair panels. Then take some measurements. I think I will. I think I'll cut it out here. I think I'll leave this section in because it's quite good to there, just for reference points. If I was in a garage, I'd probably take a lot more off. Right, so just cut out a piece of steel to go on here, and then you put 2 flanges in it.
So,
fun device. It's basically all I need. There we go. Just a bit more. We've got that nice and dandy. There's the panel. bit more fettling with the hammer. Should be dandy. There's one of the repair paddles. Clamped up, ready to go in. Quite happy with that. Right, later, having the main, probably much later, like a month's time, I want to put another brace underneath there. I've done the 4 holes for this like subframe member, but I'm not going to weld this in because I want to actually cut that out and redo it and put a new box section in underneath there. This side is good, so I'm just going to weld these in. They actually put this panel in the wrong way around, didn't I? Drilled the holes in the wrong place, so I only want to drill these 2 holes. But I did a flux core, which I didn't realise the first time I was welding it, is you need to drag it and not push into it. And I've been doing that and I'm getting much better welds. I'm much happier with it. I keep on turning down the heat on different sections, but welds quicker than others. Right, finished for the day. Done about 3 hours. It's probably going to be another 2-3 days before I can start again. But the welder, I'm happier with the welding. Now I know how to use the flux core welder. I get better welds. I mean, it's debatable looking at that, but I can tell it's a little bit better. I get some really good welds and then I go over it and ruin the good weld I've just laid down. The cross member, whatever you call it, I'm going to cut that off. I've put some box section and we'll chuck that in. I might do it before I put the sill on, just give better access, and then I'll weld it in at the top. I've been working on about 80 amps for all of this new stuff to the original, and then where it's a little bit thinner. Like on this side I turn it down to about 70 amps, sometimes up to 75, and I get a better weld. So it's just a matter of dialing it in for the different types of metal. You know, obviously clean the galvanized stuff. I'll come back on Sunday or Monday and try and get these panels. I hope the weather stays good. It's supposed to be pissing down all day tomorrow. Alright, but hey, you're right there? Yeah, I wouldn't stay there because I want to bring the car down. Okay.